everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to visit Four Corners National Monument, where the four states meet up. It's the only place of its kind in the United States. It's was built by the Navajo Nation Recreational Department, and I do believe all the tribes are representative of at the monument. You'll see them all out there making their jewelry and crafts. The average temperature out there is about 81 degrees, so just keep that in mind. It does get hot out there. It's $5 per person to drive in and see it. It's about 100 miles from Monument Valley, so if you're going to Monument Valley or you're coming to Monument Valley, you'll make sure you want to see this. If you're gonna go specifically to see it, there's two places to stay. One of them is in Monument Valley, and that would probably be, you can stay out there at, well, we stayed at Golding's campground, but we'll get to that later in another broadcast. It's off Highway 160. The original marker was put there in 1912, and there was quite a bit of controversy after it was placed, and up until a few years ago it was pretty much widely recognized. But it's about 1,800 feet off from what the original marker was. But for all intents and purposes, it's pretty accurate. I hope you enjoy our walk around of the Four Corners. If you do in fact want to get your picture taken and have nobody to take it, just to ask out there, somebody will be more than happy to take your picture. Hope you enjoyed our video of the Four Corners, and that you'll subscribe and hit that like. If you'd like to buy some products, we also have a website. It's called RV Products We Use. Once again, thanks again for watching our channel and subscribing, and we're still learning here, so just be patient. We keep adding more and more equipment to the mix, and still trying to learn how to use the original equipment. But thanks for watching, and we got a lot more video for you. Don't forget to go and check out our website and see what tours and rallies that we're offering. We'd love to host you on a rally or tour and take you along with us, because the places we go, we really do want to take you with us.